So I bought a new smartwatch on Amazon. I mean, this one here is nice, it looks fancy and everything, but the battery life is like, a day and a half. That gets annoying. So I wanted one with like a 10-day standby time, so go ahead and open up the box here. Always be careful with knives. Alright. Thermal paste for a future video. So here it is. It's what did I buy again? It's a full touchscreen smartwatch. I don't really see any model numbers or anything, so I don't know. There it is. Initially, I don't know. I mean, it feels like thick rubber wristband, but it feels like it's not really connected all that well. Like I'm going to have trouble with them falling off. It's got some sort of sensor there, probably for heart rate or something. I don't know. Never used one of these. Charger. All right. Apparently it's one of those unique USB things. Not really a fan of this type of charger. I'd much rather have a micro USB because those are everywhere, but plugs in just like that. So as far as features go, I don't know. I have to go charge it first, so we'll see in the second video what kind of features we can get out of it. I mean, there's a little note here about having to make sure the Bluetooth is on and the GPS for it to work, on your phone. So it comes with that. And you leave them a review, you'll get a free gift card. Hey, I'm doing it anyways. And the user manual. Sweet. Yes. And it's all in English. It's not like those cheap Chinese ones you buy on eBay, and it's just, you get one page of crappy English and the rest is in Chinese. So, I'm going to go ahead and charge it up.